Hey fellow creators, welcome back to Succes, the place where we simplify AI tools and teach you how to use them smartly to grow your brand, content, and creativity online. Today I've got something really cool for you. Have you ever found yourself running out of image credits in Leonardo AI? You start generating a few stunning images, concept art, thumbnails, illustrations, and suddenly, boom, you're out of free credits. Now what? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can generate unlimited images using Leonardo AI without paying a single dollar or rupee, 100% free. But there's a small twist. The trick I'm about to share is hidden somewhere in this video, and you'll need to follow along till the end to unlock it. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's dive into how you can use Leonardo AI like a pro and break past all limits. First up, let's answer a simple question. What exactly is Leonardo AI? Leonardo is a generative AI platform that allows anyone, whether you're an artist, marketer, designer, or content creator, to create high-quality visuals using AI. It's kind of like Midjourney or DALL-E, but with a focus on game assets, concept art, product mock-ups, cinematic visuals, fantasy characters, and a lot more. What makes Leonardo so powerful is multiple built-in models to choose from, ability to fine-tune outputs with prompt strength, aspect ratio, and negative prompts, fast rendering with no watermark, daily free credits when you sign up, super clean and beginner-friendly interface. Leonardo is ideal for YouTubers designing thumbnails, digital artists experimenting with new styles, marketers creating quick mock-ups, bloggers adding visuals to content. But there's a big catch. The free credits run out fast. And that's the problem we're going to solve today. Let me walk you through how to use Leonardo AI step by step. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to leonardo.ai. You'll need to create a free account. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or your email. Once done, you're taken to the dashboard. Step 2. Choose a model. Click on Image Generation. You'll see different AI models like Leonardo Diffusion, Dream Shaper, Photoreal, Vintage Style. Each model gives different types of image output. Some are stylized, others are photorealistic. Step 3. Write a prompt. This is where the magic happens. Let's say you type a futuristic cyberpunk city with glowing neon lights, rainy streets, flying cars, cinematic style, ultra-realistic. You can adjust settings like aspect ratio, 1:1 for thumbnails, 16:9 for banners, etc. Prompt strength, how much the AI sticks to your idea. Number of images to generate. Negative prompts like blurry, bad anatomy, extra limbs to improve quality. Step 4, hit generate. Now sit back. In a few seconds, Leonardo will generate beautiful high-res images. You can download these images with no watermark, upscale them, or remix them for a different style. But after around 150 to 250 images, depending on your settings, you hit a wall, your daily credits run out. The problem, limited credits. This brings us to the main problem, and probably why you clicked on this video. Leonardo gives you a limited number of daily credits, and once they're gone, your options are 1. Wait 24 hours for new credits. 2. Buy a paid subscription. 3. Or find a workaround. And I get it. If you're a content creator, designer, or freelancer working on client deadlines, you don't have the luxury of waiting. You need unlimited flexibility. So how do we bypass these limits and keep generating stunning images without paying? That's where the real trick comes in. Let me show you. This is the part you've been waiting for. The trick to generating unlimited images using Leonardo AI is simple. Use multiple accounts by using temporary email addresses. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Open Temp Mail. Go to tempmail.org or any free disposable email site. It instantly gives you a random email address that works like a regular inbox. Step 2. Open an incognito window. This is super important. Open your browser's incognito or private browsing mode. Why? It avoids cookie tracking and lets you sign up fresh without logging out of your main account. Step 3. Go to Leonardo AI. Now head back to Leonardo.ai and sign up with a temp mail email address. Boom! You've just got a new account with brand new credits. Step 4. Repeat the process. Once you use all credits, simply get a new temp mail address, open another incognito tab, create another free account, enjoy more free credits. You can do this as many times as you want, hence unlimited image generation. Bonus tip: to stay organized, save images to folders named after each style or project. And if you're juggling lots of accounts, use tools like Sessionbox, Chrome extension, Firefox multi-account containers. Important note, we're sharing this as an educational workaround. If you're using Leonardo commercially or at scale, please support the developers. They've built an incredible tool that deserves recognition. Before we wrap up, here are some extra tips to get more out of Leonardo and AI tools in general. Use high-quality prompts. Great output comes from great input. Use prompt sites like PromptHero.com, PromptBase.com. They have ready-made prompts tested by pros for things like thumbnails, product shots, fantasy art, and logos. Free upscaling tools. Want sharper images? Use tools like Upscale.media, ClipDrop.co, Let'sEnhance.io. Explore other free AI image tools. Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E, Playground AI, free plan with watermark, Mage.space, open source fast. Organize and save time. Always name your images, group them by category, and back them up to a Google Drive or local folder. Saves hours when reusing assets. These extra tools, combined with the temp mail trick, will help you generate AI images like a pro without ever hitting a wall. And that's it. Now you know how to unlock unlimited power from Leonardo AI using a simple browser trick in a temporary email. You're no longer limited by credits. You're free to explore, create, and generate as many images as your creativity allows. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It tells the YouTube algorithm this video has value. And don't forget to subscribe to Web Success for more videos on AI tools, content creation hacks, and smart digital strategies. Have questions? Tried this method? Have better tricks? Drop a comment below. I reply to every message. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.